Good morning, Shatakshi. Open your camera.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Everybody open your cameras. Hurry up. Everybody, please open your cameras. Good morning to all of you. Tarun, Athar, open your cameras. I think we should wait for other students to join. I have muted all of you. I just want all of you to open your cameras and then we'll begin the class. Vansh, Tarun, yes, beta, when you enter the class, you can say bonjour. Bonjour is good morning, hello, or good day. You can wish bonjour when you enter your French class. Vansh Mahajan doesn't want to open his camera today, huh? Is it? Shrey Kakkad, open your camera. Tarun Chauhan. Children, I'll have to remove you from the class if you don't open the cameras. Yes, beta, go.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Kamakshi, very good. You opened your camera. Who is left to open the camera? Vidushi Sharma. Vidushi had opened it once. Okay, you had opened. No, Vidushi, you have not opened, beta. Kamakshi had
Yes,
opened.
ma'am. Opening, ma'am. 1 second, ma'am.
Okay. Now, children, what we are going to do today is I'm going to share a screen with all of you, and on that I have just prepared a small practice worksheet. It's a kind of practice worksheet that is going to help you in your exams. Since there is no time left,
I have submitted my copy.
you have submitted, no problem. You can do it on a piece of paper. You have your book with you. If you don't remember any answer, you can refer to the book, but don't please look for all the answers, only just in case one or two, and in the end we are going to discuss it in the class. Is that fine? All of you take out your copies. I'll share screen with you.
Ma'am, 1 second. I just bought my copy.
Ashwin Yadav, Vansh Mahajan, I haven't seen your faces. Tarun Chauhan, better don't force me to remove you from the class. Okay, I don't want to remove any student from the class. Just open your camera once, or if there is any genuine problem about network or anything, only then in that case you're allowed to sit with your cameras off. Fine, Tarun has opened. Good.
Ma'am, I have
Left
also.
now, Ashwin is left, Vansh is left. Okay, here's the screen before all of you. Now what you're supposed to do it, I have underlined the question. The first question is traduisez en français. That means translate in French. And when you write this question, children also write the translation of the question, because you will get, yes, Shatakshi wants to say something. Yes, beta, say. You can unmute yourself now.
Ma'am, we have done this worksheet in our last class.
You
Ma'am, I
have
have
already
done in
done
the
this
notebook.
worksheet.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, we have done.
And
All
we have
right,
posted on
I'm going to share another sheet with all of you. Just wait for a minute.
Okay.
Children, have we done the workbook? Have we done the exercises that were given in the workbook? Wait, I'll just unmute all of you. Yes, now you can unmute yourself. We have done the workbook.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
And
Ma'am,
ma'am,
the
Yes.
exercises were chapter 0 and chapter 1. Leon.
We have done chapter 0's exercise from the workbook and also, yes.
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
I want a PDF of the chapter.
Which chapter you want the PDF of? Which chapter, beta?
Ma'am, when the chapter ma'am that you will start.
No, I'm not starting any new chapter now. We will just do the revision only. Okay? Is that
This
fine?
is a revision worksheet only.
Yes?
Ma'am, this is a revision worksheet only.
Yes. We are going to do some revision only for our exams. Let's practice for our exams. Okay,
Ma'am, after exam, you will start a new chapter only.
yes, I'll start new chapter after the exam. Beta, because there is no point starting it.
Okay.
Okay, I'm giving you a few questions right now. You are supposed to do those questions in your copy. I'm sure we have not done this one. So let's do this page today. Just try to do it yourself. Okay, I'll share screen with you once again. See, have we done this? We have not done this page. Complete the dialogue.
Yes, ma'am.
We have not done this, right?
Yes, ma'am, we have not done this.
And then the second question is trouver la question. That means you have to find the question. You have to frame a question for these answers.
Ma'am, you have to only write the answers of question
No,
also.
you have to write the whole thing. Beta, that is how you're going to practice before your exams.
Okay, ma'am.
Come on, start writing, and if you will not be able to solve it, we'll discuss it. Just give it a try first.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we have to write the conversation in English only or French also.
No, beta, only in French. Only in French, like the way it is written.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have done. Excuse me? Ma'am, I have done.
Yes, beta, you have done which one? The 8th question.
Ma'am, the first question.
Okay, very nice. Very quick.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, there is a message come there from part fails left. Ma'am, but I'm here only.
But this message has not come on my screen. There is no such message.
Ma'am means at the top. Ma'am tell it ma'am who left and who joined.
Okay, beta, don't worry. Just keep doing your work. Children, are you able to do the first one? Salu Sava. Then what will the line be? The third line, comment. Are you all able to do it or you're finding a little problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me. Problem?
Ma'am, I'm able to do it. Ma'am, I'm able to do it.
Very nice. Wonderful.
Ma'am, only 2 questions are there.
No, beta. There are 3 questions.
Okay.
Ma'am, the complete the dialogue one. We have the fourth line. What is it written? Ma'am, the last two words.
Beta, which one? Complete the dialogue.
Dialogue.
Last
Yes, ma'am.
last two words are au revoir, and then Pauline says dash Paul.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, what we have to do in the last one?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, what we have to do in the last one?
Now you have to put this dialogue in the correct order. Now see, just go through the dialogues, and what you will do, just imagine which dialogue would come first and which dialogue would come after it and what will come in the end. This is all what you have to make a just make a guess.
Okay, ma'am.
Children done?
Ma'am, please wait for a while. I'm doing the third question.
You're on the
Ma'am, the
third
last
question.
part.
Okay, beta. Okay. What about others?
Ma'am, I am also doing third question.
Okay, are you able to do the third question? Are you able to do the last one?
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice. Very
Ma'am.
good. It's very easy.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, can I stop the screen share now? Can I stop the screen share, everybody?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, come on, let's discuss all the answers. Okay,
Okay,
starting
ma'am.
from the first question. What have you written after Salu Sava? What have you written? What does Pauline say?
Ma'am,
Yes. Who has written what? The reply of Salu will be
ma'am, je have been etoi. Ma'am, this.
okay. The reply of Salu will be Salu. Je vais bien. Et toi? Okay, that's also fine. Or you can also write ça va bien.
Ma'am,
Because
so
je
can I
vais
write
bien,
this?
je vais bien is not a wrong reply, but je vais bien we say when we reply formally. Now, when the question has been put up informally, our answer will also be informal.
Okay, ma'am.
So the reply is Pauline says, Salut, ça va bien. Okay, Shrey Kakkar, Shalima Noor, you will tell me the next dialogue. Then what does Paul say? Paul
Comment
says,
tu t'appelles?
very nice, very nice. Comment, who replied it?
Ma'am, me.
Shalima, very good.
Ma'am, Shalima.
Comment tu t'appelles? Then Pauline says, Je m'appelle Pauline et toi? Je m'appelle Paul. Now, what is the question? What does Paul say? Où means where.
Who is calling?
No, où means where. Where something, something, something. Okay, now if I ask you a question
Ma'am, can I?
and your reply is, I live in Bareilly. So, can you guess the question?
Ma'am,
What the
ma'am, I
question
have
would
written-
have been? Où
Ma'am, I have
habites
written
tu? Very nice, Shatakshi. Very nice. Où habites tu? J'habite à. Now you can put any city according to your choice.
Ma'am, I have written Bareilly.
You have written
Ma'am, I have
Bareilly.
written
Very,
Bareilly.
very good. We'll write. Let's all of us write Bareilly. J'habite à Bareilly. Then Paul says au revoir. Au revoir is bye.
Oh, bye, ma'am. Bye. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Let's write. Paul says bye, Pauline, and Pauline says au revoir, Paul. So we can complete this dialogue after au revoir. We can write Pauline. And in Pauline's
Okay, ma'am.
dialogue, Paul is written. So we can either write au revoir or we can also write Adama or anything. See you tomorrow. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Very nice, Shatakshi. Very well done, beta. Then, trouver la question. Now, the answers are given and you have to find the question. Now, the
Ma'am,
answer is, I live in
Ma'am,
India. The answer is, I live in India. What is the question in English? Tell me. In
where
English,
do you live?
where do you live? Very good. Where the answer is, I live in India. What will the question be? We can easily guess. Where do you live? So let's write. Now, how do we write where do you live? You want me to write it on the board, children?
MC, I've written oh habit.
Où habites tu? Very good. But beta, listen, you have written où habites tu. But what is written in the bracket? It's written formal. Can you see, Shatakshi?
Yes, ma'am.
Informal. So informal, we don't write tu. What do we write? We write food. Okay, all of you can now see the board. So we are going to write où. Où with accent here means where. Où habite. Où habite EZ. It will be EZ. Où habite and hyphen and VOUS. Où habitez-vous? This is what is correct in this case. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Everybody, is it clear? Sanidhya Negi,
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Anusha Singh, Kamakshi.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you open
Yes,
your
ma'am.
cameras. All of you open your cameras. Now you're looking at the board, looking at the screen. You
Ma'am,
don't have to open any.
I am facing a network issue. That's why I'm not opening.
Okay. What about others? Then we come on to the next question. Sorry, next answer. Je vais bien, merci. That means I am fine, thank you. Now, what is the question of I am fine, thank you? The answer is I am fine, thank you. What is the question?
Ma'am, how are you?
How
It's
are you?
how are you informal. So
I'm
how?
from Sabha.
No, not como sava, beta. Como sava is informal. We have to ask it formally. So what are we going to ask? Como ale, como tale, vu. This is how we ask formally. See, if it was not written formal in bracket, we could have asked it in any way. But since it is specified, we have to go by what is written. Otherwise, it is going to be wrong. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then
Yes,
the
ma'am.
third one. What is the third one? Je m'appelle Atif. Now, Atif is replying this thing in a formal way. That means somebody formal has put up a question. Now, how do you ask somebody his name formally? Yes,
Ma'am, como vous appelez-vous?
very nice, very nice. Comment vous appelez-vous? Comment vous appelez?
Vous.
Very good. Comment vous appelez-vous? Or we can also ask comment vous vous appelez. Both the ways are correct. Comment vous vous appelez or comment vous appelez-vous?
Okay, ma'am.
Then the next is coming on to the dialogues. Now the dialogue reading, the dialogue making is very easy here. Now how do we
Ma'am,
do it?
first is Sarah.
Yes. Now
And
there are
then-
two people. We can see that there are two people in these dialogues.
Ma'am, Sarah
One
and
is
Robin.
very nice. One is Sarah, one is Robin. Then Salu, we all know will come in the beginning, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
It
Yes,
comes
ma'am.
in the
That means
beginning.
hi, Sarah, and hi, Robin.
Yes, very good. Then number one is, what is the first
Sarah,
dialogue?
Sarah.
Ma'am, hello, Sarah.
Salu, Sarah is the first one. Then what is the second one?
Ma'am,
Salut,
Salu, Robin.
Very good.
Salut.
Then third,
Como ça va?
the third one is Como Sava. Very good. Then the fourth one is
Ça va bien, merci.
Et toi. I'm fine, thank you. And you. Okay. Then the fifth one,
Ça va bien.
Ça va bien.
Ma'am, Sarah.
Very nice. Then after that,
Ma'am,
Adma.
it will be.
it can be au revoir or it can be Adam.
Ma'am,
Anything.
Ma'am, I've written over and then
Adama.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, is it correct?
Yes, it's correct.
Can I write? Okay, ma'am.
So we are done with the whole page. Any doubt to anyone, children?
No, ma'am.
Beta, see, all you have to do is, what you have to keep in mind is these little things which take away your point. You know, you have learned very well and you try to write it correct in your way in exams. But if it is mentioned in bracket, formal or informal, you have to take care of these little things, because that is what gives you your marks, or that is what takes away the marks from you. Okay. Then
Okay, ma'am.
one more thing that is important is with VOUS. VOUS, we always put EZ in between. Oh, sorry, in the end. We always put EZ in the end. And with TU, we always put ES in the end. Like como tutapel, we have ES. And como vous appelez-vous, we have EZ. Similarly, when we say où habites-tu, we have TES in the end in habite, isn't it? And où habitez-vous, TEZ with VOUS. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt?
Yes,
No, ma'am.
No?
I'm no doubt.
Now, both the chapters are clear to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. How many of you have given your copies for correction in school?
Ma'am, I have given.
Okay.
I have also given.
All right. So that's all, children, for today. You will be getting your copies very soon. Okay, study well, study hard. That's all for today's class.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, bye, beta. Bye
Okay,
to all of you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.